is a spice mix recipe that we're going to put into the meat. We need 1 teaspoon of salt. Put that right in. You're going to need about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just going to go ahead and freshly mill this in. You'll be able to tell about the same amount as that 1 teaspoon of salt I put in. So I prefer it this way, but if you like it out of a bigger container, that's fine. Not fresh ground, it'll still work just fine. We need 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. This is going to add some extra color and some richness to the dish. I'm going to just put that right in your bowl. We want 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, not garlic salt, unless you didn't. If you put salt in already, don't use garlic salt. Use garlic powder. Go ahead and put that in just like that. We need a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. That goes a long way, oregano, as you probably know. And we want a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. I'll just sort of hand measure that here. Just pour that in. And then we need about 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball that, shake it up a little bit. That adds a lot of flavor. There's so many ingredients. If you ever read the ingredients in a Worcestershire bottle, you'd be amazed at what goes into it. So about 1/4 cup, just like that. And this will be ready to go into our meat mixture.